Being poor is a crime. And if you commit to these crimes, well, my friend, you are condemned for life. Our government has no mercy, no pity, no forgiveness. And there's no work for us. Since there's no work, our children are starving. Tell me why are we so powerless to save the people we love? Tell me. We were promised the vote. Then after voting, we were all to have a better life. Do we have it? Do we have it? All of you know, tell me, do we have it? Where is the republic our fathers died for? Where is the republic our forefathers died for? Here, brothers. Here. But most of all, and the best of all, here we are.